What's up, traders? Eddie Z back with another tech secret that actually matters. Today, I'm going to show you one simple tweak that can noticeably improve how websites load. And yes, this may help you if you use web-based trading platforms inside a browser. But let me be crystal clear right out of the gate. This does not speed up executions or desktop trading software. But if you happen to live inside a Chrome with your charts, your scanners, your dashboards, and browser-based trading platforms all day, this is absolutely worth understanding. This is about cleaner, faster web page loading. Before we dive in, let me ask you something. Have you ever wondered why some websites absolutely crawl, even though when you run an internet speed test, everything looks fantastic? You see pages hesitate, charts take a second to populate, logins feel sluggish, and you're sitting there wondering what gives. You refresh, you blame the broker, maybe even blame the computer, but very often the real culprit is something traders almost never think about: DNS. So what exactly is DNS? DNS stands for Domain Name System. And despite how technical that sounds, it's really just a translator. What it does is convert human-friendly website names into computer-friendly numerical addresses behind the scenes. And this translation step happens every single time your browser loads a site. If that step is slow, everything else waits. Think of DNS like the internet's phone book. Every website has a numerical address called an IP address. But instead of typing something insane like 172.217.14.196, DNS converts easy names like google.com into that number automatically. You never see it working, but you absolutely feel it when it's slow. No translation, no connection. That's the key idea here. Now here's where things get interesting for traders. When you connect to the internet, your internet service provider, your ISP, like Comcast or AT&T or Verizon, they automatically assign you to their DNS servers. And in many cases, those default DNS servers are slower, overloaded, or just not optimized for speed and reliability. It's like trading on a lagging data feed because it came free with the account. Better options exist, and they cost you nothing. The speed difference comes down to a few factors. First is the physical distance. If your ISP's DNS server is far away, every website request travels farther than it needs to. Second is server capacity. Some DNS providers invest heavily in infrastructure, others barely meet demand. Third is optimization. Companies like Cloudflare and Google engineer DNS specifically for fast and reliable lookups. And all of that affects how fast your browser even starts loading a page. Quick pause right here. If you care about how your entire trading setup works together, the hardware, the internet, the browser performance, grab my complete guide to trading computers. It'll help you stop chasing shiny objects and focus on what really matters for traders. That link is down below. All right, back to DNS. Here's why switching DNS servers can improve your browsing experience. When you type a website address, your computer first asks the DNS server where that site lives. If that DNS server is slow or overloaded, you're waiting before the page even begins to load. Multiply that delay across dozens of tabs, charting sites, scanners, dashboards. That friction adds up during market hours. This is especially relevant if you use web-based trading platforms. DNS does affect how quickly browsers resolve websites and data endpoints, but it does not speed up TradeStation, NinjaTrader, Thinkorswim desktop version, or any installed trading software. Those use persistent connections, and DNS is out of the picture after you log in. Those are two totally different conversations, and I just want to make that crystal clear. The most popular alternative DNS providers are Cloudflare, Google, and OpenDNS. Cloudflare uses the easy DNS numbers 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1. I'll put all of this information in the description for you so you can copy and paste. But now let's walk through exactly how to change this in Windows 11. We'll use the control panel method because it's consistent and reliable. And I promise, this only takes 2 minutes total. You don't have to use the command line. There's no sketchy tools. So what you want to do is click Start and search for Control Panel. Once it opens, switch the view to large icons in the upper right. Click Network and Sharing Center, and then select Change Adapter Settings on the left. You'll now see your active network connections. This is where the magic happens. right-click the connection you're currently using. Could be Wi-Fi, could be Ethernet, and then select Properties. You'll see a list of network protocols. We're going to modify Internet Protocol version 4 and Internet Protocol version 6. And yes, both matter. Skipping one can lead to inconsistent results. So let's start with IPv4. Select it, click Properties, and choose Use the following DNS server addresses. So start with Cloudflare, and when you want to enter 1.1.1.1 as a preferred DNS server, and the dots are already there. Then, as the alternative, you want to enter 1.0.0.1. Nice and simple. Now repeat the process for IP version 6. Select Internet Protocol version 6 and click Properties. Again, select Use the following DNS server addresses. Then you're going to enter, and again, I've put this exact DNS location in the description so you can copy and paste it. But you're going to enter 260:4700:4700:1111. And then for the alternative, you're going to put 2606:4700:1001. Yes, they look ugly. That's normal. I'll put all the DNS routing for Internet Protocol version 4 and Internet Protocol version 6 down in the description for you, for Cloudflare, for Google, and for OpenDNS. So once you're done, click OK, close everything out, and you're done. The change takes effect immediately. Restarting your browser can help things settle cleanly, but you don't need to reboot your computer. You're officially using faster DNS. Now, one important note for traders. The best DNS depends on your location and your ISP. Cloudflare might be faster for someone on the West Coast, while Google could edge it out somewhere else. The only real test is trying them out. Let real-world behavior be the judge. Some traders notice faster website loads and smoother logins right away. Others see more subtle improvements. Either way, you're taking control instead of blindly accepting your ISP's defaults. And you're going to get fewer of these site not responding moments during market hours. Stability beats gimmicks every time. If you ever want to undo this, it's easy. Go back to the same settings and select Obtain DNS server addresses automatically. So this is nothing permanent. It's not risky. This is a safe tweak. And you don't need to create a restore point. You're always one click away from rolling it back. And if this kind of optimization helps you trade with fewer distractions, make sure you subscribe. This channel is about what actually matters for traders. Slam that subscribe button, will you? And if you're in the market for a rock-solid trading computer that's already optimized the right way, check out what we currently have on sale. That link is in the description. Go ahead and try out that DNS change. Test your web platforms and let me know if you see any differences in the comments below. My name is Eddie Z. Thanks for watching, and you definitely, without a doubt, want to watch this video next. And may the trend be with you.